I'm coming at you festively dressed to show you a cool hack for your bomber jacket. So this is a zipper pull. This is how the bomber jacket comes. You can see that the opening is really wide right here. What I want you to do is grab a hair tie. You probably have one around your wrist right now. These are the ones that are just the elastics. They eliminate that crease in your hair. If you've got a little girl, her infant headbands were probably made of this. So, you know, if her noggin's too big, grab a pair of scissors and get you some. Anyhow, I'm gonna show it to you with my Run Lift Zaya hair tie. So what you're gonna do is you're just going to push it like so through that hole. So now you've got one piece on one side, one piece on the other. Then I want you to take the side that's closed or like where it's tied off and then just put it through the hole right here. Kids of the 80s, this is just like doing a topsy tail. And then you're pulling it right through, and then you've got that awesome zipper pull, right? It makes it really easy to get this thing on and off. You have an extra hair tie on your jacket at all times, which is also super helpful. Also, I know a lot of people that got this jacket for their grandmothers or an active older adult, and so when they've got, you know, the hand thing, it's very, very easy to get on and off. In fact, for the older person in your life you love, get a pack of these hair ties and do this on all of their zippers. It will make things very easy for them. So, hair tie hack for your bomber jacket.